In this video, I wanted to tackle add animation to the member moved event. So currently, when somebody moves from the front end, we are sending camera movements, space broker, via this. We read from Signal Hub. Every time we see a camera moved, we throttle it so we're not sending more than 10 messages per second. And we get a message like this: member moved, the member ID, and the pause rod. And when we receive the incoming message from other people, we are listening, subscribing for it in the scene manager. And that happens around here when we get a member moved. And so this simply finds the mesh by that name. It then deconstructs the position and rotation and assigns it, so it will just pop into that location. So first of all, we don't need to do it this way because we already have a method called find or create avatar, which will give you the mesh, which is good because if the mesh didn't exist, it will create that. Now have that, and the second thing was the position rotation. So we don't want to set it immediately, we want to just find it. Secondly, this is the destination, position, and rotation. And now we know that there's a mesh, so we don't need if mesh. And we have a method for animate component, which takes the mesh and then the component. Now a component is made up of the type, for example, the position, and the data, which is the value and the position. Yes. So we want to animate that component, and we also want to animate rotation. Do that. And animate component will go in here and it will switch on these things, and then it will create a new animation which it will play over these total frames. And the total frames is how quickly it does it. So it'll do that over 10 frames. At 60 frames per second. So I don't have an exact sense of how fast that is. It's zoop, like that fast. And let's try it. We'll need to open up two browsers. Guys just moving around. I feel like the animation needs to be even faster. What happens if we start pulling some frames out of this? So total frames, I think it's even less. Seems fine, I guess. Leave that for now.